Subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss another update from Nilesh Satvi Smart Education.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम देखेंगे प्रैक्टिस नंबर 4.2 फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग सॉल्यूशन 4.2। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 देखेंगे। चेतना स्टोर पेड टोटल जीएसटी ऑफ रुपीज 1,05,000 at the time of purchase and collected GST rupees 1,22,500 at the time of sale during 1st July 2017 to 31st July 2017. Find the GST payable by Chetna Stores. सॉल्यूशन देखेंगे। सॉल्यूशन: टैक्स कलेक्टेड at the time of sale, that is output tax, is equal to 122,500 rupees. टैक्स पेड at the time of purchase, that is ITC, जिसे हम लोग बोलते हैं इनपुट टैक्स क्रेडिट, इज इक्वल टू 100,500. नाउ GST पेएबल इज इक्वल टू टैक्स कलेक्टेड at the time of sale, that is output tax, minus tax paid at the time of purchase, that is ITC, input tax credit. वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे, सो दैट इक्वल्स टू 122,500 minus 100,500 is equal to 22,000. आंसर लिखेंगे। Thus the GST payable by Chetna Stores is rupees 22,000. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 देखेंगे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 इज Nazma is a proprietor of a firm registered under GST. She has paid GST of rupees 12,500 on purchase and collected rupees 14,750 on sale. What is the amount of ITC to be claimed? What is the amount of GST payable? Solution देखेंगे। Tax paid at the time of purchase by Nazma is equal to 12,500. Therefore, directly we can write the answer. Amount of ITC to be claimed by Nazma is equal to 12,500 because ITC is input tax credit, that is the GST paid. Tax collected at the time of sale is equal to rupees 14,750. Therefore, GST payable is equal to tax collected at the time of sale minus tax paid at the time of purchase is equal to 14,750 minus 12,500, that equals to 2250. आंसर लिखेंगे। Thus the amount of GST payable by Nazma is rupees 2250. This is our final answer. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 देखेंगे। Amir Enterprises purchased chocolate sauce bottles and paid GST of rupees 3,800. He sold those bottles to Akbari Brothers at collected GST of rupees 4,100. Mayank Food Corner purchased these bottles from Akbari Brothers and paid GST of rupees 4,500. Find the amount of GST payable at every stage of trading, and hence find payable CGST and SGST. Solution देखेंगे। Tax collected by Amir Enterprises at the time of purchase is equal to 3,800 and tax collected by Amir Enterprises at the time of sale is equal to rupees 4,100. Now GST payable by Amir Enterprises is equal to tax collected at the time of sale minus tax paid at the time of purchase is equal to 4100 minus 3800 is equal to 300. So CGST payable by Amir Enterprises is equal to SGST payable by Amir Enterprises is equal to 300 divided by 2, that equals to 150. So rupees 150 is the CGST and SGST. Now tax collected by Akbari Brothers at the time of purchase is equal to rupees 4100. Tax collected by Akbari Brothers at the time of sale is equal to 4500. So GST payable by is equal to tax collected at the time of sale minus tax collected at the time of purchase is equal to 4500 minus 4100 is equal to 400. So GST payable by Akbari Brothers is 400. Now CGST is equal to SGST is equal to 400 divided by 2 is equal to rupees 200. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 देखेंगे. Malik Gas Agency, Chandigarh Union Territory, purchased some gas cylinders for industrial use for rupees 24,500 and sold them to the local customers for rupees 26,500. Find the GST to be paid at the rate of 5% and hence the CGST and UTGST to be paid for this transaction. Now given is for Union Territories there is UTGST instead of SGST. Solution. Input tax, that is tax paid at the time of purchase, is equal to 5% of rupees 24,500 is equal to 5 upon 100 into 24,500 is equal to 1225. Output tax, that is tax paid at the time of sale, is equal to 5% of rupees 26,500 is equal to 5 upon 100 into 26,500 is equal to 1325. Now GST payable is equal to output tax minus input tax credit is equal to 1325 minus 1225 is equal to rupees 100. Thus the GST payable by Malik Gas Agency is rupees 100. CGST payable, that is UTGST payable, is equal to 100 divided by 2 is equal to 50. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 देखेंगे. Messrs Beauty Products paid 18% GST on cosmetic worth rupees 6,000 and sold to customer for rupees 10,000. What are the amounts of CGST and SGST shown in the tax invoice issued? Solution. GST in the tax invoice is equal to 18% of rupees 10,000, that equals to 18 upon 100 into 10,000 is equal to rupees 1800. Therefore CGST in the tax invoice is equal to SGST in the tax invoice is equal to 1800 upon 2 is equal to 900. Thus the amount of CGST in the tax invoice is rupees 900 and the amount of SGST in the tax invoice is rupees 900. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 देखेंगे. Prepare business to consumer, that is B2C tax invoice using given information. Write the name of the supplier, address, state, date, invoice number, GST, etc. as per your choice. Particulars: rate of mobile battery rupees 200, rate of GST is 12%, HSN 8507, one piece, rate of headphone rupees 750, rate of GST is 18%, HSN 8518, one piece. सॉल्यूशन देखेंगे. टैक्स इनवॉइस ऑफ गुड्स परचेस हमें बनाना है, तो हम लोग लिखेंगे मोबाइल पॉइंट खेड़ शिवापुर पुणे, इनवॉइस नंबर 55, मोबाइल नंबर 7588580000, ईमेल mobilepoint@xyz.com. तो अभी यहाँ पे हमें दिया है कि आपको आपके चॉइस का कुछ भी लिखना है. नेम ऑफ सप्लायर आपके चॉइस का, एड्रेस, स्टेट, डेट, इनवॉइस नंबर सब आपके चॉइस का लिखना है. तो सब हमने अपने चॉइस का लिख लिया. नाउ GST भी हमारी चॉइस का लिखना है, तो हमने लिखा डेट 10 जुलाई 2018. अभी आगे जो भी हमें दिया है डिटेल्स वो हमें बॉक्स बना के लिखना है. तो सीरियल नंबर, HSN कोड, नेम ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट, रेट, क्वांटिटी, टैक्सेबल अमाउंट, CGST, SGST एंड टोटल, ऐसा हमें टैक्स इनवॉइस बनाना है. फर्स्ट कॉलम देखेंगे. सीरियल नंबर 1, HSN कोड इज गिवन, दैट इज 8507. Name of the product is mobile battery. Rate is 200, that is given. Quantity is 1. So taxable amount is rupees 200. Rate of CGST is 6%. So tax will be 12 rupees. 100 रुपीज़ के लिए 6 रुपीज़ है, तो 200 के लिए 12 रुपीज़ हो जाएगा. SGST is equal, that is 6%. Tax will be 12 rupees. So total amount is rate plus CGST plus SGST, that is 200 plus 12 plus 12. So total हो गया 224. सेकेंड लिखेंगे HSN कोड 8515. नेम ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट इज हेडफोन. रेट is 750, quantity is 1, so taxable amount is 750, CGST is 9%, so that equals to 6750, SGST is 9%, that equals to 6750, so total cost is rupees 885. टोटल लिखेंगे. taxable amount is 950, tax is 79.50, that is CGST, 79.50 is SGST, and total is 950 plus 79.50 plus 79.50, that is 1109. सो हमें जो भी वैल्यू दी थी, जो आपको बोला था कि आपके चॉइस का लेना है, वो हमने ले लिया और जो भी वैल्यू दी थी वो डाली और हमने ये ऐसा टेबल बनाया है जो कि बहुत ही इजी है. सिर्फ आपको ध्यान में रखना है कि सीरियल नंबर पहले लिखना है, उसके बाद में HSN कोड लिखना है, नेम ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट लिखना है, रेट, क्वांटिटी, टैक्सेबल अमाउंट, देन CGST, SGST एंड टोटल. तो इतना ही आपको ध्यान में रखना है और इजीली सॉल्व करना है. एक सम और देखेंगे और क्लियर हो जाएगा. लास्ट क्वेश्चन देखेंगे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, प्रिपेयर business to business, that is B2B tax invoice as per the details given below. Name of the supplier, address, date, etc. as per your choice. Now supplier name, address, state, GST, invoice number, date, recipient name, address, state, GST in item are given. Pencil boxes 100, HSN 3924, rate rupees 20, GST 12%. 2 jigsaw puzzles 50, HSN 9503, rate rupees 100, GST 12%. सॉल्यूशन लिखेंगे द इनवॉइस ऑफ गुड्स परचेस। सप्लायर का नाम हमें लिखना है योर चॉइस, सो रमा बुक्स खेड़ शिवापुर पुणे, इनवॉइस नंबर 55, मोबाइल नंबर अपने चॉइस का, ईमेल आईडी अपने चॉइस का, GST भी अपने चॉइस का ही लिखना है। इनवॉइस डेट इज 10 जुलाई 2019, रिसिपेंट कृष्णा बुक्स सेंट्रल मार्केट रामापुर मुंबई, मोबाइल नंबर हमारे चॉइस का लिखना है, ईमेल भी हमारे चॉइस का लिखना है, GST भी हमारे चॉइस का ही लिखना है। शुरू करेंगे। सीरियल नंबर 1, HSN कोड दिया हुआ है 3924, नेम ऑफ द आइटम दिया हुआ है पेंसिल बॉक्स, रेट is given that is rupees 20, quantity is given 100, taxable amount is 20 into 100 that is 2000, CGST rate is 6%, so tax will be 6% of 2000 that is 120 rupees, SGST rate is 6%, so tax will be 6% into 2000 that is 120, so total is 2000 plus 120 plus 120 is equal to 2240. Serial number 2, HSN code is 9503, that is given. Name of the item jigsaw puzzle, that is also given. Rate is rupees 100, quantity is 50, that is given. So taxable amount is 100 into 50 is equal to 5000. CGST is equal to 6% of 5000, that is 300. SGST is 6% of 5000, that is 300. So total is 5000 plus 300 plus 300 is equal to 5600. तो हमने दो इनवॉइस बनाए हैं। बहुत ही इजीली हम लोग इनवॉइस बना सकते हैं, बस आपको समझने तक बार बार ये वीडियो देखना है, आप आसानी से इनवॉइस बनाना सीख जाओगे। मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में। जय हिंद।